1.9 TDI, 110 horsepower from 1997 year. Let's open it. Let's go drive this Passat Volkswagen. You see the clouds here? It's not cloudy underneath. This is TDI, guys. Let's go and see what we have left here. Nice. It smells on German here inside. Let's start up this baby. Ooh, startups like new. Hot start, guys. Hot start, same as cold start. We here have some heating. It's working. Have AC DC and it's working. And we have control here. We have 230,000 kilometers, guys. 5-speed manual and handbrake and steering wheel. Let's see the engine bay, guys. Here's like new, guys. Here's like new. See this very important part when this thing is not working. Oh, closed like a new, like a fridge. Let's go. Here something happened during the years, no problem. We have electric, guys. Let's go and drive it. Some problems here, no worries. A lot of space for the legs, guys. A lot of space for luggage. This is Passat, the car of the people. Family car, working man car. Car for everyone. Rear gear. Let's drive it, guys. Let's drive it. Let's open the electric window. Let's drive this wagon of times, guys. Wagon of times. It's a time machine, you know. I like the noise of the TDI, especially when you are pushing the pedal without having the clutch on fully clutched position. Ooh. It handles very well the bumps, not like some new cars. It handles it great. It's a good ride and very direct steering. Keeping in mind what size is the body of that car, the car has really good steering for that year. But the cars used to be very precise in the past, guys, not like now with this electric steering racks. First gear, second gear, very short gear. This is TDI, guys. Big TDI has short gears in order to feel alive. 110 horsepower IFN engine, 97 on the windows it says, and everything, almost everything still works. Let me try this window. It works too. The other one works. Okay, I have some fresh and not so fresh air here coming out from this 26-year-old car, guys. And I have working handbrake. Do you know why? Because this is not a BMW, guys. Let's hear the TDI engine. Like a V8, but diesel one. This car can be remote to around 140 horsepower easily. And you can get a little more with some hybrid turbo, some nozzle modification, bigger one, some intercooler piping and so on you can get, and some clutch probably to around 200 horsepower, pretty easy with modification, and of course more, but more modification needed. The engine is situated like this in the bay, like it's a rear or four-wheel drive, but it's a front-wheel drive car, and it burns around 6-7 to 9 in the city, 8-9 depending on how you drive. Like every front-wheel drive car, it has some understeering if you push it too hard in the corners. This one doesn't has all the boost now because maybe N75 valve or some vacuum hose is not right, or turbo geometry is stuck, I don't know. It's something between this. Braking, it's something you get used to. It's not acting like on A3 Audi, but it's still stopping good. So guys, do you remember this Passat B5 from your past? It's a time machine wagon. You go to the 2000 year with this car. You go back in time where people went to the beaches, put all the kids inside, all the stuff inside. They don't need an SUV back then. They just need a big wagon car like this Passat. And 26 years old, this engine still runs strong, guys. This engine has no limits when properly maintained. Can be 1 million and will continue working. I'm slowly accelerating, guys. Oh, you want me to start the wipers? Oh, we have some fresh water. Oh, I shouldn't breathe that. Well, the wipers have seen better years, guys, but that's it. Rum, rum, rum. Like a truck, guys, like a truck for milk. Okay, enough from this roaring engine, guys. I'm closing the window and I'm being isolated. Guys, even the air conditioning is working now, and it's really cold out here inside. Nice, for a 26-year-old car, air conditioning still working. On third gear it goes, no problem. Okay guys, that was all from Passat TDI from 97. I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe and see you in the next video.